Hello and welcome to this episode of In Discussion With. Today I'm talking to Gavin Dobson from the Medicines Monitoring Project in Dundee, and we're discussing the Vac4covid project. So, Mr Dobson, why don't you start by telling me a little about yourself and your role?
I'm a clinical trials pharmacist working for MEMO Research at the University of Dundee, and I'm also a superintendent pharmacist of MEMO Clinical Trials Pharmacy. In 2013, I started working for MEMO as a locum pharmacist for the FAST study, where I helped supply allopurinol and febuxostat by post to over 6,000 participants across the UK, Denmark and Sweden. In 2014, I joined MEMO full-time and continued to work for the FAST study until it ended in December 2019. Since then, I've been working on the Vac4covid study, helping to create and develop our protocol and providing input throughout the progress of the study. I'm also communications lead for social media and email support.
Thanks. Moving straight on with Vac4covid, this study is concerned with monitoring the safety and efficacy of COVID vaccination. Can you tell us a little about the thinking behind this?
Well, Vac4covid is a prospective, active, observational, post-authorization cohort safety study of vaccines for COVID-19 disease. What this means is it is a UK-wide online study to monitor all UK-approved COVID-19 vaccines in real time and to provide data to the MHRA. Vaccines are safe, and COVID vaccines are no different from all other new medicines and vaccines, having undergone the same thorough testing, albeit in a much shorter time. All new medicines, including vaccines, are intensively monitored via the Black Triangle scheme to ensure that any new safety hazards are identified promptly. Under this scheme, the MHRA asks that all suspected reactions, including those considered not to be serious, are reported through the yellow card scheme. While Vac4covid does not take the place of these schemes, our near real-time reporting may be advantageous, as is the fact that we are actively seeking data from participants rather than relying on spontaneous reporting. Collecting data on participants who report post-vaccination that they are well could also help reduce vaccine hesitancy in others.
That's interesting. And is there anything in particular that you might be looking for?
Well, we are using the nationally recognised Brighton collaboration list of potential adverse events of special interest as a starting point. But we will also review our own data for any participant-reported events occurring at a higher frequency than expected. We will expand our list of potential AESIs as requested by the MHRA, and if other potential AESI flags are raised elsewhere.